Hi, hello, welcome. So today I'd want to show you how to use words per slide converted. These are simple tools that could help you make your writing career very easy. And the beautiful thing about it is that these tools are free. Just like you're clearly seeing there, we have word to page converter, we have word to sentence counter, we have words per minute converters, and we have word per slide converter. So today we'll be focusing on word per slide converter, and I usually come to this website here, writersking.com, to use this very simple tools. And the beautiful thing about it is that these tools are free, so you could use them to make your writing career way simple. They're friendly tools, they don't have too much protocols to them, and I'm going to show you how that is done in this video. Most of these tools help writers to predetermine how long a work is going to take, how much it will cost, and the number of words that would be required to make what they are aiming at successful. So I'm going to quickly show you how to use the word per slide converter just now. So you are planning to do, let's say, like PowerPoint presentation, and you're wondering how many words to put in each slide and how many slides you have altogether. So this is your go-to for that. So instead of racking your brain to know, okay, what am I going to put, how many pages, how many slides rather is it going to take in total, this is your go-to. This helps you figure that out without racking your brain. So I'm using this simple illustration here. So whenever you come to the website or to the tool, you just quickly put in the number of words you have. So let's say your words are up to 1,000 and you're thinking of a way to make it easy and fast, or make it presentable without making it bulky. This is how you get to figure that out. So if you have 1,000 words and you decide, after inputting your number of words, you come to where you have how many words per slide, and you get to choose how many words you want in each slide. So if you want 40 words in each slide, then it's basically going to be 25 slides in total. So if you're going for 50 slides, 50 words rather per slide, it's going to be 20 slides in total. So this, you could just easily quickly come here, fix all this, get to know what you're doing even before you start writing. So these are those tools that help you before writing to be able to be accurate in what you're doing, so you don't get stuck in between trying to squeeze in, increase or reduce. You just know the exact number of words or the exact number of slides you need for each word. So this is your go-to for everything you need. So it's very simple. So if I decide to do 60 words per slide, and this is the total of slides I'll get, so just the way it is, you could easily just pick any one you'd want to use and you find out how many slides you get in total. I hope this video made sense and it's useful to you. So that's it for now. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.